Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is a simple trick which will help you to get volume buttons like Android P on your phone. So let's get started. First, go on Play Store, install this app. Link will be in the description. Then open it, give it all the permissions, replace it with hardware keys and done. You get so many features that you cannot even think of. You can change color, position and many other things like that. So guys, that's it for this short video. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next one. Subscribe.